Hi, can you hear me?
Yep.
Wait, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Is it good now?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Okay, is my screen sharing? Am I recording? Yes, okay. I want you to do these two questions.
Okay.
Just turn them into improper fractions, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Let me.
Are you done the first question? Just let me know when you're done, okay? Okay, so the first one, you should get 12 over 10. And for the second one, you should get 75 over 7. Did you get those two? Hello? I can't hear you if you're replying. Hello? Okay.
Hello.
Hi, there we go. Did you get these answers?
I'm the first one.
Okay.
Okay. I got that.
You got that? Okay, good.
No, but
So you
I actually got 12 over 5.
12. Oh, sorry. It's over 5. That's my fault. Good job. That was my mistake. It is 12 over 5. Good job. Okay. So you don't understand how improper and proper fractions work. That's good.
I still hear an echo.
You still hear an echo?
Yeah.
I have no idea how to fix that. I'm sorry. Did you have an echo?
It's okay.
Okay. Okay, let's do multiplying now.
Okay.
You've never done multiplying fractions before, have you?
I have, but
Okay, don't worry. We'll go over all of it. So multiplying fractions. Do you remember how in addition we had to have a common denominator?
yeah, in multiplication.
You don't. It doesn't matter. This is how it works. So if you have 1 over 3, you multiply the top and you multiply the bottoms. So that's
2 over 15.
2 over 15. And then once you get an answer, you have to look if you can simplify it. So make it smaller. Can we make this smaller?
No.
No. So this is our final answer. And
Yeah,
what we
yeah.
do is that we box it.
Okay. Okay.
Let's do another question. What's 7 times 9?
16 over 49.
Huh?
16 over 56. No, not 50.
Close. You're very, very close.
63.
63. Can we simplify this?
No.
No.
No, we can't. So is that our final answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Good job. We'll do 2 more questions together, and then I'm going to give you questions to do. Let's say we have this. What do we do first? First step.
Sometimes one.
The first
No,
step.
first simplify.
No. Improper fraction. Remember?
Oh yeah. Improper.
We got to turn these into improper fractions. So 4 times 3 is 12.
12. So 13 over 3.
13 over 3 times 4 times 2 is
9
over 4.
9 over 4. Good job. Okay, now numerator times numerator, so top times top, denominator times denominator, which is bottom times the bottom.
I know the bottom, but I don't know
It's okay. I'll do it in the calculator.
the
13
bottom
times 9.
bottom one is I did top.
Good job. And then 3 times 4, what's the bottom?
3 times 4 equals 12.
12. Can we simplify this?
No.
No, right? No, nothing to our common knowledge that we can,
Yeah.
because that's an odd number, that's an even number. We can't really think of a multiple. But can ones, and then we just box it.
Okay.
Okay. And let's do one more question together. Actually, I think,
Hello?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. How about I give you some questions to do, because you seem to know how to do these, right?
Yeah.
Let me give you some questions.
Can you still hear me?
Yes, I can still hear you.
Okay.
Is it still echoing?
Pardon me?
Is it still echoing?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's do those 3 questions. Let me know when you're done.
Okay.
Okay.
For the first one,
Yes.
is the answer 5/18 after simplifying?
10 over 12 times 3 is 36. Divided by 2 should be 5 over. What did you get?
18.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Good job. Okay. And then, are you done the second one?
No.
No? Okay, I'll wait.
For the second one, is the answer after simplifying 7/5?
Let's see. Did you get 7 over 5?
Yeah.
Yep, that's the right answer.
Okay, I'm the last one.
Okay.
What's 38?
What?
What's 38 times 3?
38 times 3?
Yeah.
114.
114.
Yeah.
I have an answer.
What? You're breaking out.
I have an answer,
Yes, what's your answer?
but it's not simplified.
That's okay.
114 over 36.
Over 36?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. It's okay if you don't know how to simplify. This is still really good that you're getting this for. So, are both of these even numbers?
Yeah.
So we can divide them by 2, right?
Yeah.
So 114 divided by 2 is 57.
And
What's
30 is 18.
It's 18. And then that's what we can leave it at.
Yeah.
And then that's our answer. That's our simplified answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. So you get how to do multiplication.
Yes.
Okay, let's go into division.
Okay.
And then I can give you problems like mixing the two up. So for division. So with division, all you do is, let's say if we had something like this.
Instead of speaking, could I type in the chat?
I can't see the chat screen while I'm working.
Oh.
Because like I have a different board, right?
I see.
That would be the only problem. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. Sorry about the echoing. I'll figure it out for next class. So the way we can like fix it.
What is the next class?
The next class, I think we're gonna run. I haven't confirmed it yet, but I think we might have a session tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I will message you though.
Okay.
I will get Jag to message you, or I will message you confirming whether or not.
But it's not gonna be class on Tuesday.
On what day?
Tuesday.
I don't think so. I don't run classes Tuesdays. I do
Okay.
Thursdays and Fridays. Would you like them on Tuesday?
No, because my birthday is on Tuesday.
Your birthday's on Tuesday. Don't worry, we won't have class on Tuesday then. Happy early birthday.
Thanks.
Okay, so when you have a fraction dividing, right?
Yeah.
All you do is flip it. You flip.
What do you mean by flip?
The second, I'll show you. The second fraction. So when it's dividing, it's written like this. All you do is you flip it. So you put 4 at the top and 7 at the bottom. Once you've done that, you can now multiply the fraction.
Okay.
And then you just do the multiplying rule. So this would be 4 over 35. Do you see how that works?
Yeah.
You just gotta flip it. So if I have something like this.
But you didn't flip one.
No, you only flip the second one.
Okay. But why did you multiply?
Because when you flipped it, you can multiply. That's like the rule.
Then how they
It's like when you flip it, the division can now multiply and it'll give you the same answer as dividing. It's just easier to multiply it when you flip it. It's just one of the rules. If you have a fraction that's dividing, flip the second fraction and then you can multiply it instead.
Wait, so
Okay. So if you have a
you
question,
only multiply. You can only flip it if it's multiply.
You can only flip it if it's dividing. If it's a dividing question, then you flip. So what you do is you just change this fraction. You put 4 to the top and 7 to the bottom. So it's 4 over 7, and you can multiply the two fractions. Multiplying fractions is a lot easier than dividing them. So when you learn how to divide fractions, what we say is to flip them and then multiply it. It's easier to solve. The same way if I had something like this. 9 over 5 divided by 2. So I need to multiply it, so I need to flip it, right?
You can't flip 2.
Actually, you can. Every number is a fraction. If it's just written like this, like 2, there's a 1 underneath it.
Oh.
I know it's kind of weird, but if you just see a number written out, you just gotta do this. Just put a 1 underneath it.
Yeah.
And then when you flip it, it's 9 over 5. 9 over 5 times 1 over 2. Does that make sense? And you get 9 over 10. Pretty straightforward, right?
Yeah.
Here, how about do you want to do one more let's do one more question.
Okay.
Let's say I have 2 divided by 3, 4 over 5. Before I can flip, I have to turn it into an improper fraction, right?
Same way as no.
Yeah. First, turn it into an improper fraction. So 2 divided by 15 plus, what's 15 plus 4?
15 plus 4?
Yes.
19.
19 over 5. Now we flip. 2 times 5 over 19. You can just put a 1 underneath so it's easier. And your answer is 10 over 19. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Let's give you some questions then, some review questions.
So I flipped the first. Do I improper?
First, turn it into improper and then flip the second one. Okay, those are your 3 questions. Let me know when you're done. Let me know when you're done the first one or second one, okay?
Okay.
Or if you get stuck.
Okay. I'm on the last one. I'm like, I need multiplication.
You didn't multiply what?
13 by 23.
13 times 23. That should give you 299.
Okay. Should I tell you the answer to the first one?
Yes, please.
The first answer is 3 over 36.
How much?
3 over 36.
Yes, that's correct. Can we simplify that?
No.
Can we divide both numbers by 3?
Oh yeah.
So that's 1
Yeah.
over 12.
Yeah.
Good job. I don't know if your teacher will expect you to simplify it or not, but I just feel like it's a good habit to get into simplifying.
Okay. For the second
What
one, the answer is 4 over 15.
Yes, good job.
And for the last one, the answer is 28 over 299.
Okay, let me check. 1 times 7, that's 13 over 7 times 4. You should get this answer, Arish.
Really? Really?
Here.
Oh.
Because did you forget to flip?
No.
Oh, you flipped both of them.
No. Oh yeah, probably could go to them.
Yeah, you flipped both of them. That's what happened.
Okay.
Just flip the first one. Here, let's do some more questions.
If there is a class tomorrow, what time was it?
5:15 to 7:15.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, that's the time the class would run. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's give you one more question. What question do I want to give? Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, there are the 3 questions. Let me know when you're done them or if you get stuck, okay?
Okay. For the first one is a question 9.
Oh,
Let me know. 63 over 109
you had 63.
over 109.
Okay, let me try doing it. 3 times 10 plus 7. So the first step is it's 37 over 10 times, it's gonna be 5 over 4, right? Is that what you did? Arush? And then you should get 37 times 4, which gives you 148 over 50, which would then be 74 over 25. Do you see where you messed up?
Hello?
Yes?
Nothing.
Okay. You should have gotten these 2 answers.
Okay.
Do you see where you went wrong?
Okay.
So I feel like what might have happened is maybe you forgot to switch? Or
I did it.
how'd you get 63 then? Over 199?
Over 199.
I didn't hear what your bottom number was. What was your bottom number?
It was 190.
190, okay.
I did switch.
Oh, okay.
That's how I got to.
I have no idea.
What's 10 times 9?
So because you have 10. Oh my God, no, I did it wrong. I did it wrong. That's on me. That's on me. I did it wrong. That's on me. I'm sorry about that. That's my fault. 9 over 4, right?
No. 19 over.
How?
9 over 9.
Oh, you thought that 4 was a 9?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Then that's on me. Let's do it with 9 then. Is equal to, so 9 at the top. That's on me. That's not on you. 2 times 9 plus 1. 19. That gives you 190 and 37 times 37 times 9.
37 times 9.
Yes.
That I switched it. The first one.
That should be your answer.
Yeah.
There you go. And then did you get the second one?
Almost.
Almost? Okay, let me know when you're done.
7 over 6.
How much did you get?
7 over 6.
7 over 16, that's correct. And the last one?
Yeah, almost.
Okay.
We are doing the 32 36. But after simplifying, I got 16 over 18, and then again, 8 over 9.
Okay, let's see. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 5 is 32. 32 over 9 times 1 over 3, which gives you 32 over 30. What's 9 times 3?
27.
27.
So the actual answer is
Huh?
I just simplify.
Yes. And that's your final answer. But this you did correctly. You're simplifying over here.
Yeah.
That was, even though you didn't find the right answer, that was still correct. Like, you still simplified properly, and I'm really happy you're able to do that. That's a really good skill to have for when you go to higher levels of math. Okay. Let's see what other problems we can do. Give me a sec. Let's see.
I have this word problem.
You have word? Yeah, for sure. Let me come back on screen so I can see it.
How should I show you?
Do you want to turn your screen on? It's on what? Sorry, you're breaking out.
I have it on a picture.
You have it on, you just hold it up to the screen and then I can read it.
Okay.
Yeah.
One second.
No worries.
Okay, can you see this? Where it says number one.
Where it says number, can I read it? Hold up, let's make the screen bigger. Oh no, hold up. Oh, I can't really read it. Okay, hold up. Do you want to? Okay, how about you read it out to me? That works.
Okay.
Yeah, you read it out to me. That works better.
Okay. The question is, a baker bought 3 bags of
Hold up. You're breaking out again. A baker, yes,
bought
bought.
3
Mm-hmm.
bags of flour. Each weigh 10 kg at $4 per bag.
Each way, what was it?
10 kg
Mm-hmm.
at $4
Per bag. Per bag at $4. Okay.
It's not ended yet.
Okay.
He used all of the flour
Okay.
to make loaves and bread.
To make scones and bread?
Loaves.
Loaves. Okay.
Each kilogram of
Sorry, you're breaking out again. What?
each kilogram of flour
Each kilogram of flour
can make loaves of bread.
can make how many?
4
4.
loaves of bread.
Okay.
If he sold each loaf of bread at $1.20,
If he sold each loaf,
of bread
yes,
at $1.25,
$1.25. How much would he make?
find his total profit.
Total profit.
Yeah. We have to use the graph.
Okay. You have to use a
I'm
what?
not sure how does this type of bar we have to use.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure how to do it.
Okay.
Can we
How
solve
about
this one?
yes, let me solve it for you the way I would solve this question.
Okay.
Let me try turning right. Okay. So yes. So first thing when you have a word problem is take out all your important information.
Okay.
So 3 bags, which are 10 kilograms each,
Yep.
at $4.
Yeah.
That's our first piece of information. Second piece of information, 1 kilogram makes 4 loaves.
Wait, can I see the whole question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it $14 or $4?
Let me check. It's $4.
$4. So 3 bags.
So you mentioned the information.
Okay, what's some of the information?
3 bags of flour each weighing 10 grams.
Okay, so 3 bags of flour.
10 kilograms.
Each bag weighs till 10 kilograms.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
Okay, per $4. He can make loaves of bread. 1 kilogram of flour can make 4 loaves. That's our next useful piece of information. 1 kilogram makes 4 loaves, and each loaf is sold at $1.25.
Yeah.
That's our last piece of important information.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now looking at this, I'm gonna scroll away from the question. Make sure you have your question out so you can look back at it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have your binder with your question out. Okay.
And I have the answers too.
You have the answers too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the answer?
The answer
Mm-hmm.
is one second.
No worries.
$134.
$134?
32.
32. Okay. Now let's do the math. They're looking for a profit. A profit means after everything I spent, how much money do I make in return? Right?
Yeah.
So what we gotta do first is, you have 3 bags for $4, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do 3 bags times $4.
Yeah.
What's 3 times 4?
12.
12. So that's $12 he spent, right?
Yeah.
So that means he spent $12.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna calculate how much he makes.
Okay.
One bag, sorry, that's too much zoomed in. Oh.
Okay.
One bag.
I don't hear my echo that much.
You don't hear your echo that much anymore?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Wait,
So
did
one,
you do something?
huh?
Did you do something now?
I took my headphones out. I think that might have helped.
Probably because of the headphones.
Yeah, I think I just won't wear headphones next time.
Okay.
Yeah, that works too. Okay, so you have one bag. One bag has 10 kilograms, right?
Yeah.
And how many bags did I buy?
3 bags.
3. So we're gonna do 10 times 3. How much does that give us, Arush?
30.
That gives us 30 kilograms, right?
Yeah.
And 1 kilogram makes 4 loaves.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take, what we're gonna do is
How
you're
many
gonna
did
take,
you sell?
like, how many loaves did he make? We're gonna figure that out. So that's 4 loaves.
He has 10 kilograms, so and each bag had how many loaves? Like how much kg?
Like,
Again?
how much bread did he make?
He made 40.
No, wait, hold up. Let's not. So in each bag he made 40, right?
Yeah.
And there's 3 bags. So you're gonna take 40
Yeah.
and multiply it by the 3 bags.
Okay.
What is that?
40 times 3.
Mm-hmm.
40 times 3 equals 120.
120. So he can make 120 loaves with all that.
Yes.
And how much does he sell each loaf for?
$1.25. $1.20 or 25. I don't remember.
Okay, so it's 25, you told me. So we're gonna divide the loaves by $1.25. Do you know why we're dividing and not multiplying? Actually, wait 1 second. I think you are multiplying. Give me 1 second.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think we're multiplying.
Yeah, we're multiplying. My bad. You know why we're multiplying? Because we're trying to figure out if we sold all of these, how much money would I make?
Yeah.
So you'd multiply it. So you have 120 times 1.25.
Yeah. So that
One
means
sec.
0.1. I mean 1.04.
120 times 1.25 gives you how much?
1.04.
Yeah.
I think.
But no, 120 times 1.25. Do you have a calculator?
Yeah.
Type it into your calculator.
Okay. One sec.
No worries.
Okay. What should I type?
120
120
times 1.25.
times 1.25 equals 150.
150. So that's how much money he made.
$150?
Yes. But that's not his profit.
profit is $150 minus 12.
Yes. So
that will equal 138.
yeah. And that should be your answer. I do not know how your teacher got 12 unless the money is 120. Let's see if it's 120.
Let me check it. Let me check the question again.
Yeah, no, it's 120, not
Yeah,
125. It's 120. That's why the answer is not exactly. It's 120. So type it into your calculator.
Okay. Yeah.
120 times 120 times $1.20. So 1.20.
144.
144. That's how much money he made. Is that profit?
No, minus 12.
Minus
132.
equals 132. Does that make sense on how to do the question?
Yeah, but we have to use like a bar graph.
A bar graph?
Like we have to use squares, like sort of thing. Like I'll show you what I mean.
Okay, yeah. Show me what you mean. Let's go to Zoom again.
I'm gonna say a short question.
Okay.
Tell you how they answered it. Oh, here, look at this.
Okay, yes.
We have to do like a graph like that.
Zoom out a little bit. Let me see. Put it down. Put a little bit down. Okay. No, I still need to look at it. Hold up. Bring it closer a little bit. It's like a little blurry. Okay. Let me see what you've done there. Okay, that's weird. That's like really weird. Okay. That is such a weird way to do the question.
If you don't know how, it's okay. If it's like
Okay, I will look it up, and then for tomorrow's class I'll have it ready for you. How about we do that?
Okay.
If you join tomorrow's class or even next week's, I will look up how to do the question, like the way your teacher wants it. Like I'll learn it that way for you.
Okay.
And then I'll show you how to do that. Do you like that idea? That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back to sharing screen.
The class ends at 9:15, right?
Yes. We can do some other problems. We can do more word problems if you'd like. I can look up word problems
You
for
can
us.
do anything.
Okay. That square thing's weird. I don't know. I haven't ever seen that before.
Okay.
That's like really odd. Let's search up. What grade were you again, are you?
I'm in grade 5.
Great, okay. Let's look up word problems really quickly. Share content screen. Okay.
Wait, can we do a little bit of this thing, so like where you put an exclamation mark and then you like write the number exclamation mark like number 5? Hello?
Oh, I see what you mean. So like this?
I forgot what it's called.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, so what that basically means is
I've like done this a little bit. Then it goes to like you keep on time, like you time it by until you get to like the number, like say if you do 6, you time it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Like could we do some of those?
You want to do questions like that?
Yeah. Okay. Like what is it called again? I forgot.
I know exactly what you're talking about. I forgot the name of it too.
Yeah. Wait, could you see me?
Let me see go back to the screen.
Oh, Like on the thing you're right now. Can you see me there?
On the thing I'm on right now, no, I can't see you.
Oh, okay.
But when I don't remember what it's called, but I know exactly how to do these questions.
Yeah. Like I know them all to 5, but after that it's a little harder.
Okay, so basically what you're doing is no matter what the number is, you're just going one less than it and you're gonna keep multiplying it.
But you wrote 5 here too.
Yeah, so you go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you multiply by 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1?
Yes, you have to multiply by all of them. So let's say if I had like 8, it'd be 8 times 7 times 6.
At the end, do you add them all up?
You have to multiply them all.
Together?
Yeah, so you do.
8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals what?
And that would it gives you a really, really big number.
Yeah. Like for the 5 one, I remember it would be
It would be 5 times 20, 5 times 4, which is 20, 20 times 3, which is 60, 60 times 2, which is 120, and 120 times 1, 120.
Yeah, 120.
You don't need to, like, you should be given a calculator when doing this. You won't have to go that far. It's honestly just, the explanation point is just saying that you're going down by 1 and multiplying it all.
Like, we will just have to learn this, right?
Like, you wouldn't need to know it up to like 10 or 12 because that's like literally impossible to do in your head.
Okay.
Because it would take way too long, and your teacher would not put you guys through that.
Yeah.
They should. So let's say if I gave you 11.
We haven't done this in school or anywhere yet.
You haven't done this in school?
No.
Oh, you just like heard about it?
Yeah, I've like done this somewhere else before.
Okay. Let's just practice it then. Might as well. We have time. If we have 11. So what would my numbers be? Tell me all the numbers I would have to multiply.
11 times 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exactly. And do you see how it's so long to write out all those numbers?
Yeah, so then we use a calculator.
We just use the explanation point.
Okay.
That's literally all it is. Let's say if they told you to add the 2 up, so if they gave you like 12 explanation plus like 3 explanation, you would have to do 12 times 11 times 10.
So I do all of those, then I have to times it by the 3 one, right?
No, you have to
add it.
And then you do 3 times 2 times 1. So 6 plus.
But on a calculator, there isn't exclamation mark.
Yes, there is actually. Depends on your calculator. When you get calculators in high school, they have them.
Like on the, like what about scientific one?
Yeah, scientific one should have them.
Oh, the one that I had doesn't have it.
Really? What calculator do you have?
No, I'm just on my iPad calculator.
Oh yeah, iPad calculators don't have them. You're like an actual, like if you have a Sharp calculator or a Casco one, you don't need those yet. You only need them in like high school. Those calculators.
My brother has those like special graphic calculator.
How old is your brother?
He's in grade 11.
He's in grade 11. Yeah, I had one of those too when I was in grade 11.
Wait, are you in university?
Yes, I'm in university.
Wait, which university do you go to?
I go to Simon Fraser.
Oh.
SFU? Yeah, I'm a second year now. I just finished my first year in university this year.
Wait, do you go to the Surrey one?
Yes, I go to Surrey, but now I'm going to be going to Burnaby.
Oh.
You can only go to Surrey for 1 year.
Oh.
They only allow you to go for 1 year, and then you have to go to the big campus where I'm going to be going now.
So it's your second year of university?
Yes, I'm in my second year. So I've done 3 semesters.
Oh.
Our semesters are like 4 months long. They're not that long.
Oh.
Yeah. So like I'm done school right now.
Okay.
Like I'm on break. Like I have summer break basically now. Until September. Unless I want to take classes.
Okay.
It's great. We get like 4 months of summer break.
So should we do the first question?
Yes. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay, let's do questions like this. Okay, I don't like these questions. Hold up. These questions aren't that nice. They're like weirdly formatted. Actually, while I find you work, I'm gonna give you a bunch of like adding and subtracting questions in the meantime, and multiplying fraction questions. Okay? While I look for problems for you to do. I feel like that's the best way to do this. So I'm either gonna give you multiplying or dividing or adding and subtracting questions, okay?
Will you stay on the screen? Should I copy them down?
I will stay on the screen. It's okay. You don't have to.
Okay. Wait, what app are you on?
I'm using OneNote.
Okay.
It's I'm on my iPad and I can write on it.
Okay.
That's why. Okay, let's do these questions.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give you these ones.
Yeah.
Don't worry, that was my last question. I'm gonna give you these questions. It's just review so I know you understand fractions really well. And that we can move on to other stuff without like you having, so you have a strong foundation. Let me know when you're done these, okay?
Okay.
Or even when you're halfway through, or if you get stuck and you were, just let me know.
Okay.
Have you learned algebra yet?
We've done a little bit.
Like a little bit? Okay.
Like the basic.
Do you understand this?
Okay. We'll go over algebra today then. Just like the basic stuff, like the one-step questions or the two-step ones once you're done.
I know the easy ones, like where did I do like the space in the middle, like 5 times x, like that stuff.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay, we'll do those ones then. I have them.
He has proper understanding with that. You can teach him. Hi.
Oh.
Hello,
Hi.
sorry, I'm his mom.
Oh, no worries. Hi, I'm Ravina.
Hi, Rubina. How is he doing? Good?
He's good. He's really good at grasping ideas.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So, yeah, he's know a little bit. Sometimes he confused, like he has to do multiply or adding, like in.
Yeah. No, that's completely understandable. Don't worry, I'll go through everything with him and make sure he understands it really well and that he has a good foundation.
Thank you, Rubina. Go on.
Okay, Arush, are you done the first 3 questions, or are you still working on them?
Oh, I'm still the first one.
Okay, don't worry. Remember, the first step is to make them into an improper fraction, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I finished the first one.
Okay. So, what did you get?
80 over 123.
80 over 123. Okay. 80 over 1. Okay, let's see. 2 times 3 is 6. So that's 8 over 3 times 41 over 10, right? 8 times 41 is... Actually, I'm going to erase some questions. Just do these 3, okay?
Okay.
Just do the first 3. 828 over 3 times 10, which is 30.
I did not get that.
What did you do? So, okay, so what steps did you take?
First, I made them into improper, right?
Yeah, so which would be 8 over 3 and
Yeah,
41 over 10, right?
41 over 10 or 10 over 41 after flipping.
But it's multiplying, remember?
Oh, great. I flipped them.
Yeah, it's multiplying, so we don't flip it.
I thought it was division.
No, it's multiplying. Don't worry. That's why I said division or multiplication, because I had a feeling everyone makes that mistake. I made that mistake when I was younger too.
Wait, if I was dividing, is that right, but?
Let me see. If you were to flip it, 3 times 41. What was your answer?
80 over 123.
Yeah, that would be right.
Okay.
So technically you did your math good. So good job.
Okay.
It's just you're multiplying this time.
Is B 80 or 49?
80 over 4. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Oh.
Is C 17 over 14?
Let's see. Let's see. So 2 times 2 plus 1 is, so that's going to be 5 over 2 times 7 plus 5, which is 12. What did you get?
I got 60 over 14.
And then can you simplify that?
Yes. You can't simplify that.
You can't simplify that. And then that's your final answer, right?
Yeah.
Good job. You got them all right, other than the first one. But if you were dividing, you would have gotten it right either way. So that's still.
I need to go to the washroom. 1 second.
No worries.
I need to go to the washroom, okay? 1 second.
No worries.
Hello?
Yes, hi.
Okay.
Okay. Yes?
So what are we doing now?
Okay, we're going to go into algebra. Because you get fractions. You completely get fractions now. So let's go
I
into
can't hear you that well.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Wait, speak?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to go into algebra now.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. You have you've only done like adding or subtracting with algebra, right? Or multiplying and dividing?
Like, it's kind of easy too because, like, if you give me like a simple question, I'll answer it.
Like if I gave you this.
That's going to be 8.
Positive or negative?
8, what? Positive.
Positive. Because if you subtract 8 on both sides.
It would have been 0.
Yeah. Right? Let's say if I gave you this.
Like, you give me a multiplication one now?
Yeah, I'll give you multiplication with addition. So it's like 2-step.
First, we do 1 by itself. Multiplication. Let's see.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, what happened to my screen? There we go. Here, how about this? So what's the opposite of multiplying?
Dividing.
So I'm going to divide 3 on either side. X is equal to 4. Do you know why I'm not dividing by 12?
No.
It's because we want X to be by itself, right? And what's beside X?
I have no idea what's going on.
Okay, here.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it with fractions at all.
Okay, here. Oh, it's not fractions. Sorry. That's probably confusing to you. So here, let's start off again. So what's touching X?
Nothing.
No, what's 3? What is it doing? Is it multiplying or dividing?
Oh, I know this. Like, okay, I see this. Like, you could, instead of writing, like I did the sheet one time. Like,
Yeah.
you know, 3 times x. You don't have to write like times. You just write 3x. That equals multiplication.
Yeah, so it's multiplying, right?
So that would equal 4. The x times 4.
Yeah. And then you're gonna, what's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. Oh,
Yeah,
my
divide.
screen keeps switching. So you're gonna divide.
Positive 4.
It's gonna be x is equal to positive 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, do we need to say positive or could we just say negative 4 then? Like,
But negative 4 wouldn't be correct, right? Because this is positive.
I
and
know,
this-
but like, do I need to say positive or can I just say the number?
You can just say the number because I won't give you numbers where you need to find a negative.
Like, if it's negative, I'll say negative. For like not negative, I'll just say the
Just say
number.
positive. You can just say the number.
Okay.
Okay. What if I had, what do I want to give you? What if I had, how would I solve that?
That would equal. I would divide 3 by 7.
Okay. Do you see how it's dividing right now?
You have to minus 3 by 7.
No. Hold on. You're getting ahead. So what is this doing? Is this multiplying or dividing?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you haven't learned this way. That's my fault. Okay. X. Okay. So is this multiplying or dividing?
This is dividing.
So what's the opposite of dividing?
Multiply.
Multiplying. So am I gonna multiply by 3 or divide by 3? To get rid of it.
3 times 7.
Yeah.
So like whatever that equals, that will be the answer to x.
Yes. So what's 7 times 3?
21.
21. And that's my answer for X.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, what if I had this? What would I do?
Can I tell you the answer?
Yes.
Okay, let me do this. $21.
21. That's good. Because you would add 1 because you have to do the opposite.
I just added 2 to 19.
Yeah.
And then I wrote that's the answer.
Yep, exactly. You have to add 2 to either side. What if I gave you so 4 times X is equal to 16? What would my
8.
answer?
Not 8, sorry. I'm going to say 4.
It would be 4. Good job. What if I had
That equals
you can give me a fraction.
but isn't there going to be a remainder from that?
You can give me, okay. Yes, but you don't need to do that. All you need to do is, look, divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
Another way you can write divide is this way. So X is equal to 17 divided by 2.
Yeah, but that's not possible. There'll be a remainder.
There would be a remainder, but in algebra, we can write it out like as 17 over 2 and we can call it a day.
Okay.
Yeah, because x is just a variable that needs to be answered to. X can be whatever you want it to be.
So it could be,
When we put it into our calculator,
Yeah.
17 divided by 2 is 8.5.
yeah.
That's what our answer would be. But if you don't have a calculator and you're doing it on like a quiz or a test, you can leave it as 17 over 2.
Okay.
Let's do some more questions. Let's do what would that be?
That would equal 2.8.
It's subtracting.
Oh, subtract. 38.
38. Good job. Let me give you 3 questions altogether.
Okay.
Let's see what I want to give you. Okay, X. Okay, those are the 3 questions I want you to do.
Okay.
Okay.
The first answer is 10.
Yes, that's correct.
The second answer is let me think. 12.
Yes, good job.
The last question is 2.
Did you do that all in your head?
Yeah.
Nice, good job. That's really good. Okay, so you're getting the hang of these questions.
Yeah.
Let's do some. Let's try 2-step questions. Do you want to try 2-step questions?
We can try a few.
We can try a few. No hurry, right? Okay, let's do this. 1 sec. Okay. There's a rule when doing algebra.
Yeah, like is it BEDMAS?
Yeah.
Yeah, BEDMAS. Okay.
You know BEDMAS?
Yeah, I know everything in BEDMAS but the E.
That's all right. So, BEDMAS. The
Like
question.
the B stands for brackets first,
Yeah.
then division, then the multiplication, then the addition, then the subtraction.
Yeah, and E is exponent.
I have no idea what that is.
If you have like a number up here, like 4 to the 2,
Yeah.
that's an exponent.
Does that equal 8?
No, it's 4 times 4. That's what that's telling you.
Oh, 4 times 4?
Yeah. So like if I had 4 to the power 3, like my exponent was 3, it'd be 4 times 4 times 4. It just tells you how many times to write out that number and multiply it.
Okay, so 4 times 4 twice. Okay, I see.
You see? Okay. But when we're doing this, we're only going to look at this half of BEDMAS. We're not really going to get into brackets and all that. We're just going to look at division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
So DMAS.
Yeah, so DMAS, basically. Because we're not really going to look at brackets because that's not really what you're going to learn in grade 5 or 6. That's more in grade 7.
But I remember like doing a few questions with brackets.
With brackets? Okay, don't worry. We can go over that too. Hold up. Here we go. Here are the questions. Oh, these are 1-step questions. We're doing 2 steps. Okay, here we go.
I'm kind of confused right now how to do this.
Okay. Oh, I didn't want you to do it. I was going to show you how to do it. Don't worry. So it's division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. When you're doing this, my screen went. You go backwards when you're solving for x.
Okay.
So you do addition or subtraction first, then multiplication or division.
So sand.
Yeah, SMAD. Yeah. SMAD. Basically SMAD. So it's like sand, but with an M.
Yeah.
So do we have anything adding or subtracting in this question?
You have subtracted.
You have subtracting 4. So what do I have to do to get rid of it?
To get rid of it, I have to add, like, what minus 4 equals 16? 20.
So you have to add, yes, you have to add 4 on each side. So it's 4x is equal to 20.
Yeah.
Now, do we have any more addition or subtraction?
No.
No. Do we have division or multiplication?
Yes.
What do we have, multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
Yeah, multiplication. And so we're multiplying, right?
Yeah.
What's the opposite of multiplying?
Division.
So I'm going to divide 4 on either sides.
So that's wait, is it equal 5?
Yep, x is equal to 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to do in your head.
Yeah, you have to write it out.
Okay.
When you have 2-step questions, you want to write it out so you can
Okay.
catch your mistakes. Don't do these all in your head. Not
Okay.
until you've gotten practice at them, at least. Okay.
I get it, kind of.
You kind of get it. Don't worry, we'll go over some more questions. Okay. We have 9x minus 7 is equal to 7. So, following SMAD, what are we going to do first?
First, we're going to subtract.
We have subtraction, right? What's
Yeah.
the opposite of subtraction?
I already know the answer to the first 14.
It's 14. Yeah, so 9x is equal to 14.
Wait, 9x, or I thought we were going the opposite way. You mean 7 minus the minus on 7?
Yeah, minus 7 minus 7. So 9x is equal to 14.
Why 9x?
What happened to my screen? One sec. My screen like glitched out.
I'm confused right now.
It's because look at the question. Quick look. It was 9x
Yeah.
minus 7 is equal to 7.
Yeah, so the minus equals 14.
Yeah, plus 7 on both sides. Minus 7, this just cancels out. And you have this still left over, right?
That equals 9.5.
9, it should be less than 9.5.
Less?
Yeah, it should be like
9.4?
it should be like 2 point something.
Why 2 point something?
14 divided by 9.
Okay. Oh, but wait, what? I'm still very confused.
Okay, so our question was 9x minus 7, right, is equal to 7,
I think I got the answer now.
right? So you have to add 7 on both sides, right?
On both sides or on one side?
On one side, here, over here. So that becomes 14, and this 7x, we just make it disappear. That's up. The 7x disappears. It's gone. We have 9x left, and then 7 plus 7. 9x would then be equal to whatever 7 plus 7 is. That's 14. Is x by itself, or is something still multiplying with it?
Wait, what? I got lost for a second.
You got lost? Okay, let's redo the question. It's okay. We have 9x minus 7 is equal to 7.
Yeah.
First step, is anything adding or subtracting?
Yeah.
Is it addition or subtraction?
Sub.
Subtraction. So what are we going to do? We're going to do the opposite on the other side, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to add 7.
Okay.
And then we have 9x, because this is still part of the equation. We got rid of this, we still have this.
And there's a 14. 9x equals 14.
Yes.
So now that would equal 1.5.
Yes. It's because you would divide 9 on both sides.
Last
Sorry,
time I thought you had to add the point like from the 9, not the one that's multiplied by. I get it now.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Here, let's do another question, don't worry. Okay. Let's do this question.
Which question? This
This one.
one. Okay.
So, is there anything adding or subtracting?
Yes.
Is it addition or subtraction?
Addition.
It's addition. So what are we going to do? We're going to subtract on the other side, right?
Yes.
So 8n, because we've gotten rid of this, but we still have this left.
Yeah.
8n.
It's still multiplication because it's
Yes, exactly.
it doesn't matter what number or letter it is as long as it's beside it.
Yeah, it's multiplication.
Yeah.
This is 24. So if it's multiply,
If it's addition or subtraction, it's always on the left side, right?
it could be on either side. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
For addition and subtraction, you have to write plus or minus, right?
Yes.
What about for division? Can you write like a side?
Division, it can be written like this
Okay.
or like this.
Okay, I see.
These both mean the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So now we're here. What's the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
So we're going to divide 24 by?
8 times 2. 2 is the answer. 224.
3.
Oh yeah, 3.
Three.
Sorry.
Yeah. N is equal to 3.
Yeah.
Are you kind of understanding how we do these questions?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a couple more. We have 15. That's our question. So, do we have addition or subtraction?
Yes.
Yes. Addition or subtraction?
Addition.
What's the opposite of addition?
Subtraction.
So we're going to subtract 5.
From 15.
Yes.
That equals 10.
That equals 10.
And the answer is
And then divide
2.2.
2.2. Good job.
Yeah.
And then that's your answer. Okay, let's do another question. I want you to tell me what to do for this.
Okay, I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Okay, so first you see if there's addition or subtraction.
Mm-hmm.
There's addition.
Yes.
So here I would minus 9 from 9.
Mm-hmm.
So that equals 0.
Yes.
And now the answer is 0.0.
0.0. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna have you tell me one more question.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna do this question and I want you to tell, and then I'm gonna show you. So we've been doing multiplication, right?
Yes.
Now we're gonna do it with division.
Okay.
If you have a line like this and then a number underneath, that means division, Arush.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna, same rules.
Should I do it? Should I tell you how to do it?
Yes, please.
Or will you tell me how this time?
How about I tell you and then the next one you tell me?
Okay.
So first things, we see addition, right? What's the opposite of addition?
The first answer is 4 for the plus,
Yes.
and the other answer is 1.0.
1.0, because you're gonna multiply.
Yeah.
Wait. No. Hold up.
Just one.
No, but that we're multiplying by 4.
That equals 16.
Yeah. Because remember, if it's dividing, we have to do the opposite, right?
Oh, yeah.
So if it's dividing, we gotta multiply.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, next question. Nope. Okay, what's my first step?
You need to see if there's addition or subtraction, and there's addition. So the answer to that is negative 4. Negative 4.
Good job. Now what do I do?
Now, mm,
Are we dividing or multiplying here?
I think so. The answer is negative 5.4.
Hold up, Irish.
I'm confused.
Yes, don't worry. I will help. What are we doing here? Are we multiplying or dividing?
Multiply.
N divided by 5.
Yeah, we do the opposite. Multiply.
Yes, so we're gonna multiply.
Yeah.
What's 4 times 20?
4 times 5. 20. Negative 20.
Negative 20.
So the answer is negative 20 equals n.
Yes.
And say if you add 20, it would have been 0, but if you add 40, it would have been 20.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do another question. Okay, what are we gonna do here first, Arush?
We are going to can I just tell you the answer by looking at can I just tell you the answer?
Sure, what do you think?
Let me do it one time.
Okay, for sure.
Okay, I'm confused. I can't do this.
It's okay. It's a little bit it's challenging, these questions, especially if you haven't seen them before.
I get the if you were doing the division first, I get it.
Uh-huh.
But I don't get the fraction part.
Okay, so If it's subtracting, we do the opposite. So you have to add 10.
16.
Mhm.
8.
Nope, you're dividing again. What's the opposite?
Multiplying.
You have to
2.
multiply by 2.
2. The answer is 2.
No,
16
hold
times
on. 16
I-
times 2.
32.
Yes.
I thought we were going to do something else. Never mind.
No, it's okay.
I thought we were going to do 2 times 8 equals 16.
Oh, okay, I see what you say. Okay, let's do this question. Okay. So, are we adding or subtracting?
I think so. We are adding.
Yes. What's the opposite of adding?
4.
We're going to subtract 2. Subtract 2. And that gives me...
The answer is 16.
Good job. You're getting it. That's good. Okay. Let's do another question. Do you want to try doing this question?
Sure.
Okay. How about you try doing it, and then you let me know what you get.
You've already done this. 32.
Have we?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, we have. Yes, it's 32. Okay, let's do another question. How about this?
But this is only a single one.
No, we have 2n plus 10.
Oh, okay, so.
Yes.
Four.
It's 4?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I think.
Okay, so we're going to subtract 10 because that's the opposite, right?
It is 4, right?
And then divide by 2. Yes, it is 4. Good job. Yay, you're getting it. Okay, let's do more questions. This is good.
I'm not writing them down.
That's okay. Well, you're not writing them down. You're doing this all in your head?
Yeah.
Damn, you smart. You're smart. Okay. Let's do this question. Actually, no. Don't do this question.
Oh,
I'm gonna change it up.
I got the answer to that one.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the answer?
The answer is what's it called again? 27.
Yes, good job. Okay, how about this?
Two point six. 2.6.
2.6. Let's see. 20 divided by 7. Yes, that's right. Nice. Okay, let's keep going. Let's do 2 more questions before we call it a night. That question.
That equals -12.
Let's see. So we're gonna
Either
subtract.
either it's -12 or it's -12 or it's 9.
Okay, so negative.
9 or -12. 9 or -12.
It's -12. You're right.
Okay.
Good. You are getting really good at these. That is good. Okay, let's do one last question.
Okay.
What question? Do you want a challenging question?
Sure.
Okay. I don't know if you're gonna be able to do this in your mind though, but you can try. These numbers are kind of big. There.
Okay, I'll do it. For the subtracting, I might need to do something. I'm trying.
Okay.
That's a 4, right? 84, right? It's 84, right?
It's at 84. Let's see. So yeah,
No,
that's
no, not the answer. The question.
that's 84. That looks like. Let me rewrite that. There.
Three.
Let's see. 84 minus 63 gives you. Yes, it is 3.
I just had to do like 84 minus 63 on the paper.
Wow. I am very proud right now. Okay, one last question and then we'll call it a night. How about this one?
Okay, it might take me 2 minutes to do this.
No worries.
$17.
Let's see. 243 minus 90. Oh wait, 243 minus 17. Yeah, that's correct. Good job. You learned how to do 2-step questions. That's really good. I'm very proud of you right now. I'm really proud of you right now. That's really, really good. Okay. I think that's enough math for today. We've done 2 hours. I will let you know if there's. I will let Jag know, and Jag will let you know, or I'll let you know if there's class tomorrow. Okay.
Thank
you.
You.
Have a good night, and make sure you go eat. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye.